Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Vanessa, your Tucson Real Estate Agent, and I'm so excited to be back at Stonehouse. This is an active listing I'm going to show you today, which is absolutely gorgeous. It has the wooden beams. It has so much character that is in existence with Arizona in specific, which I'm really excited to share with you. You see right behind me this beautiful kitchen with that backsplash. It just adds so much character. Now, if this is your first time here, I just want to welcome you again. I put out weekly property tours of homes here in Arizona and Sahuarita as well. So feel free to subscribe so you don't miss on the home tours that I put out on a weekly basis. Now, let's go ahead and get started. If you're looking for a home in an exclusive luxury community that is move-in ready, has some great views, has privacy with a beautiful casita, this house is for you. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, solid wood doors, and a private casita, which is great usage when you have friends and family over, even giving me some Airbnb vibes. One of my favorite parts about this home is actually the laundry room, believe it or not, because of its uniqueness. If you stick around for the tour, you can see the built-in cabinets they have placed. It's so big, you could even use it as an office. This is currently the only house left at Stonehouse that is move-in ready. This is your opportunity to move into this prestige-gated luxury community. If you have any questions about this property or you wanted to take a private showing, please feel free to give me a call and I'll be happy to coordinate this for you as soon as possible. If you're interested in viewing other homes or have any questions about the market, I'll be happy to connect and offer you guidance through this shifting market. Now, with that said, enjoy the tour and welcome to your new home.